Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create an invoice in Microsoft Word. Let me show you how to do that, the beautiful invoice in your Microsoft Word itself. Before that, kindly subscribe Howx channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, before creating the invoice, how the invoice will look, I just want to share and show the information. So this is what I created in Microsoft Word. So with my name and the invoice details and signature, which is created from the Word. So how to create the beautiful kind of invoice. So just open the Word application in your laptop. So it is a beautiful and easy option. Just select the blank documents. So you can choose the A4 or A5, whatever size you want. You can choose according to your need. So first and foremost, you have to give the invoice background. So how to insert the background in Word? Just go to designs option. You will get option called page color. So just choose the page color over here. So you can choose a different kind of page color. Choose an invoice color. For example, most probably invoice will be in yellow or green color or blue color. So you can choose according to your need. So using Word itself, I can create an invoice. I just select the yellow color. So I just select the light yellow color. So this is my yellow color. So I can type whatever information I can type. For example, I need to type my company name. So I just type my company name and Howx Global. So I want to format this one. So I want to increase the font size and font style, everything. Just select that font and text, go to home button and choose the font size. So maximum 36 or 48 you can give for your company highlight, and give center alignment. You want to give your company logo or your color, means you can give according to your need. For example, I just choose some orange or some of the color over here. So my company name I have added over here. So now I want to add address of my company. So just give enter. So you can give your company address, that is what is your current company address. You can give according to your needs. Company address, I just want to select the particular address. I just want to reduce the font size and the color. So I just reduce the font size and I can give the color according to my need. Yes, so I can give my phone number also inside that, the shop name, everything. So this is my highlight way that my company name and company address will be there. I want to divide this section into top and bottom. So what I have to do here, just go to insert menu and you will get option called the shapes. Once you select the shapes option, select the line. You can draw the line and you can divide the session over here. So as you see here, so just click a shift button to divide the session and give the shape color over here. So the division is over. So the session is divided into two parts. One is the top, that is heading, and this is the most important point. So here I have to choose a date and invoice number. So just select right alignment and choose the date option. So just select date. You don't want to give the date, I just give the dash, that is slash, and I can give the date in month slash and the year. So you can type, otherwise you can give a blank space, that is a dash option over here using your keyboard, and give your invoice number. So invoice number over here. So if you want, you can give your invoice number like this, otherwise you can give option. So you can type after that, or you can print and take that, that is according to your need. So this is an easy way you can create your information in Word. So now the most important step, so how to give the invoice details, detailed one, what you have to do here. Just go to insert option, you will get option called table. Just choose the table option. So draw the table. So how to draw the table? Just give 1 box, 2 box, 3 box and 4 box, same 4 box of your table. So 4 into 4 table you have to create. I've created the 4 boxes over here. So now the boxes will access. So how to access the box? So leave the first column, that is first row. Just choose the second row and give number, that is how many numbers are there, and give the particular, that is particular about your details, product or anything else. I can give product, so I can give the product details, product, what are the products there, I can give according to my needs, and the rate, and I can give the total. So This is an easy step, so this is what I need. And the second column, that is the third row, I want to give the product details. So here the crucial time, so just select the columns or row. So this is the third row, is the most important row. Just choose the row and give enter. So the row will be increase a different kind of method, as you see. So this is what I need to give. Yeah, so I can give the row, so I can increase the size using the enter key. So now on top I have to give my invoice details. So choose an entire row, that is entire column you have to choose here, and on top you will find option called layout. Just choose the layout and you will get option called merge cell. Once you choose the merge cell, you will get a box will be merging over here. Just type invoice. So you can type invoice and you can make as a center. Just go to home and make it as a center. So invoice, you can give the color for the invoice. Yeah, so the number and products and rate will be in the same divided columns. I want to give an equal space. How to increase the space, how to reduce the space. Choose the particular column and you can drag and drop, means it will move as you see here. So I'm dragging and dropping using my mouse, so I can drop here. So product, I can choose here to drag and drop near to the rate, and I can drag and drop near to the total over here. So everything in the right alignment. So I just choose and make it as a center model. So I can choose as a center so that my product will be easy and accessible. So I can drag and drop according to my need, and here you have to give total of how much total you have, you can give. So it is a beautiful option so that you can easily make a line and without any other hesitation. So on downside you can give a signature of your product details, everything you can give the signature, and you can make as an address and everything, as you see. So I can create a beautiful invoice within 5 minutes to make as a easy format. So you can type the product name. For example, number 1 S&M Hawext Global has products, the videos. I just create a video material, so I can give video details. So I can give, and the rate of the video details is around $1 or any other things. I can give 20, and the total numbers is in a 20 I can give. So everything in the left alignment. Just choose the model and you can choose center or any other things you can make it. So you want to give the enter of this, just give the enter so that you can make it plain and neat invoice as you see here. So you can give total numbers of details, and total is in bold, and you want to make it as a bold. Whatever you think you can make according to your needs. So I just want to save as a PDF. You just go to save as, browse and make as a PDF format, and you can give and get an invoice. Our global invoice I can give. So just save as a PDF. So my PDF will be ready with a beautiful option. As you see here, it is a beautiful option to create your invoice within a second. Within a minute you can create an invoice using your table, using your font, and using your text. You can make a basic invoice model. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my Hawext channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.